What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Snacks Make Danger, and this is part 2 to Hurricane Irma, the aftermath. Now, if you didn't see part 1 yet, be sure to check it out, and be sure to like and subscribe. Anyway, this is my front yard, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of branches. I mean, no trees fell down, but still, lots of branches. I think my backyard is worse. And you can see there's a whole lot of branches, just lots. Even right here there's a lot of branches. There's just millions of branches here. And that's all for today, guys. See ya.